Hello everyone, welcome to my channel My Tech Notes. Till now you have seen Kling 2.6 and Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio and multiple other demos on my YouTube channel. So today get ready because AI world is about to change again. If you have been using Kling 1.6 or Kling 2.6 update on Higgsfield, you already know it's very powerful. But the buzz around Kling 3.0 suggests we are moving past cool clips and we are moving into real filmmaking. Today we are breaking down the massive expectations of Kling 3.0. We are talking about longer videos, pro level consistency and quality that actually looks real. So let's get into why this is an update everyone is waiting for. The biggest problem with AI video is that its length. Most models like Kling 2.6 and earlier one give you 5 or 10 seconds before things start looking strange. Kling 3.0 is designed to shatter that limit. We are expecting durations to jump up to 30 or even 60 seconds per video. But it's not just about length, it's about character consistency also. In 3.0, AI is much better in remembering what your character looks like from start to finish. No more changing outfits or faces halfway through the shot. This means you can actually tell a story in a single take.
This is how it's done.
Another feature of Kling 3.0 is the high-end look. While previous versions were great, they sometimes had the dreamy or slightly blurry AI feel. In Kling 3.0, it is pushing for native 4K output. This means more texture, better skin tones and lighting that actually makes sense. If you are a creator who wants to use AI for professional YouTube intros or some short films, this is the leap you have been waiting for. It moves away from the experimental look and gives you something that looks like it was shot on a high-end cinema camera. Another one is better physics or the glitch fixes. Since we have all seen AI videos where hands melt into the pockets or food disappears when someone still taking a bite, Kling 3.0 is heavily focused on physical consistency. It understands how the real world moves, whether it's the way fabric folds or how a person interacts with an object. The glitches are being taken care of. This version is built to handle complex motion, meaning your character won't just move, they will move correctly. So, where is all this happening? Higgsfield has been the go-to spot to test these features early. They have already given us tools like start and end frame control and native audio. Kling 3.0 is the evolution of all those previous features. It's taking the best part of 2.6 turbo speed and combining it with deep high quality rendering. It's clear that the goal here isn't just to make fast videos but to give creators total control over their vision.
To wrap things up, let's look at why 3.0 is such a massive leap over the 2.6 we're using now. Kling 2.6 was a huge milestone because it gave us native audio, the ability to have characters actually speak and move to the beat. But 3.0 takes that multimodal logic and turns it into a unified ecosystem. Where 2.6 occasionally struggled with visual drift over 10 seconds, 3.0 uses an expanded context window to keep objects stable for up to a full minute. We're moving from 1080p to native 4K and from basic motion to directorial physics that can handle complex multi-shot narratives in a single pass. Essentially, if 2.6 was the model that taught AI how to talk, 3.0 is the model that teaches it how to be a professional cinematographer. It's faster, cleaner, and built for creators who need their content to look flawless on the first try.
So, as we can see, Kling soon is coming soon. It is shaping up to be more than just a small update. It's a professional tool for serious or good creators. From 60-second clips to rock solid consistency, the bar has officially been raised. I want to hear from you. What is the first thing you are going to create when 3.0 comes in? Let me know in comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI news. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.